Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset your phone using settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down. I'm not sure what that was. So let's scroll down to additional settings. From here you want to select backup and reset, and then erase all data, factory reset, and then choose again erase all data, and erase all data. Now this will begin the process, which will most likely take up to like 3 to 5 minutes, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.